In front of me is Poco X7 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and selecting photos or albums at the bottom. Either way, hold one of your photos to get rid of and use this icon at the top right corner to select multiple right away, or hit select all next to the chosen section, like today. To keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use delete button at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!